Yeah.
We come here almost every time. And I get through easy.
Oh! What are you doing?
Getting through here.
I'm not sure I can squeeze through that way. Can you?
It's easy for me to do it.
What do you like to do with Papa down here? Does Papa take you for rides?
Yeah, he takes us out far.
Takes you out far and does what?
He gives us rides and he lets us swim.
He gives you rides on what?
On the boats.
Do you go tubing?
Yep.
Yeah.
Papa takes me tubing and he lets me swim and you know what? Papa needs to come down here and relax.
You think he needs to come down here and relax?
Yep.
I think
Don't get close to that. Every time I try not to get hit by water with big rocks.
yeah.